Hi everyone, welcome to Smart Kitchen, where we review the latest gadgets and tech products. Today, I'm going to review the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus, a robot vacuum and mop that can clean your hard floors with ease. If you're looking for a smart and versatile device that can handle both vacuuming and mopping, you might want to check out this product. Harnessing the power of a formidable 4-stage cleaning system, this remarkable machine boasts unique dual multi-surface rubber brushes. These adaptable brushes conquer a wide array of floor types while sidestepping the hassle of getting entangled with pet hair, ensuring a thorough cleaning performance every time. But wait, there's more. Picture this: the Roomba Combo i5 Plus autonomously empties its bin into a sealed bag, allowing you to revel in up to 60 days of uninterrupted cleaning. Say goodbye to pondering over vacuuming for 2 whole months as this intelligent unit self-maintains, ensuring your home remains immaculate. It's not just about cleaning, it's about precision and control. This smart marvel learns the layout of your home, creating an Imprint Smart Map that grants you the power to direct its cleaning efforts. Whether you desire scheduled room-specific cleanings or impromptu touch-ups, take the reins and let the Roomba Combo i5 Plus cater to your needs. Equipped with patented dirt detect technology, this exceptional device identifies and zeroes in on high traffic or dirtier zones, ensuring a more intensive clean, especially effective when utilizing the vacuum bin. And the versatility doesn't end there. With a simple bin switch, this multitasking wonder effortlessly transforms from a high-performance vacuum to a proficient vacuum and mop combo. Experience the efficiency of both wet and dry floor cleaning in one seamless transition. Introducing the specialized microfiber mop pad, engineered to tackle footprints, grime, and dust with utmost efficiency, ensuring exceptional wet floor mopping performance. Streamline your cleaning routine. Fill the Roomba Combo bin's tank with your preferred cleaning solution or water, and witness the transformation into a dynamic vacuuming and wet mopping robot, leaving your home invigoratingly fresh. Simplicity at your command. Seamlessly integrate the Roomba Combo i5 Plus with Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant-enabled devices, granting you the effortless ability to command specific room cleanings or comprehensive home sweeps. Experience unparalleled control and personalization through the seamless integration of iRobot OS with the intuitive iRobot Home app. Embrace a hassle-free cleaning experience, liberating more time for the things you love. Embrace the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus, your ticket to a cleaner, more carefree lifestyle. That's it for this review of the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching and see you next time.